Yo guys, what's up? Back with another unboxing and review. So today I have a British Airways A380. This is really cool. Authentic delivery, die-cast metal plastic parts. Let's get this open. But first, I'm gonna do this. So British Airways, we've got a proper model, like a proper picture. There is one thing that pisses me off. It's not that carved. It's not that carved, but other than that, I like it. I haven't opened it, so go to the back. Is nice. British Airways. Let's get this opened. Let's get unboxing. Put it on my tripod so then it won't fall down, but last time I put my camera on a tripod, my iPad on a tripod, I woke up, it's like probably 10 AM, that's all helping me. Since my mum doesn't want her face on YouTube, I'm going to blur it out, just in case you see it. I don't know why, it's not that bad, but I listen to my mum, I listen to my parents. Oh wow, I thought you were cool. Yeah, but everyone has to obey their parents. Anyways. So, British Airways right there. Check the bottom. Bottom is sick. Blue. Love that colour blue. If I get, let's do a comparison to my Qantas. I'll get my Qantas A380 real quick. So, this is my Qantas A380. My rubber faucet. I always sing that when he farts. My kitten scratched me on the head. Hurts. Anyways, so this is the Qantas. Sorry I didn't do unboxing. My camera had full storage. I deleted some videos and so I had to do it with my phone, but then I had bad audio and I lost my tripod. But I found it. I found it. So go to the other side. Since I was literally touching Spirit of Australia so much that it rubbed out a bit. But I like this model. I could have got a 747, but that would come in 6 days. That would come in 6 days. Now. Hold on, put it back in the tripod. Tripod stuck. I think cockpit windows are a bit more different than these. If you see, it's a bit more different than these. And the front is a bit more different. This is British, this is Australian. I'll get all my planes. Sorry if some of them are small. And this is my Aer Lingus. This is kind of cool. I thought the wheels could go up, but nah. I don't think any of them can. These ones look like it can, but no. This is my MD-80. I have one more. Can't drop any of these. These are all my planes. I don't have much, but if you think I have much, then I don't care. This is a 747, 4 engines. It doesn't have much wheels, and the wheels are huge. It just has a really curved, like you see that? Cockpit window spotter. Have another one there. MD-80 there. And ouch. Let me get this off the tripod. See there? That's when Narrow scratched me. My jetliners. Oh, where's my second one? This is my jetliner. It's kind of cool. You can spin the engines. Same with this one. Leo and Narrow just chase each other. Just especially in the run. So this is the packaging. I totally murdered it. I'll move the tripod. It's just, and also, Scarface here. Say hello.
Well, I'm just right behind the camera.
Yeah. Scarface, come here. Okay. Your brother got arrested, and he escaped.
Alright, yeah. I know.
He's getting looked for, right?
Well, exactly.
Yeah.
He's wanted.
Show yourself to the camera.
Oh crap. I'm losing control. I'm trapped with these airplanes.
Do you like these airplanes?
Well, with my eyes, they look real to me.
They do.
But like, I'm not a human, so I don't know if they're real or not.
Why not? Hold on, let me just turn off the camera. I gotta do something. We're gonna go shopping real quick. So, all these planes on the table, they're gonna be gone. So when I click, they're gonna be gone. And my tripod is gone as well. Yeah. My tripod, the planes are gone. Put my tripod away because we're going shopping. There's still some left in there, but now there isn't. I'll be changed when I click.
Scuba! What do you want? Let's put shoes on. Oh wait, we don't need shoes, we're bears. We're gonna float anyways. Yeah.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!